Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to do your task in CME app. Okay, so first you will open your dashboard. So this is your dashboard here. And then you click Streamer Center. Okay. And then you click Anchor. Okay. And you go to basic salary. Okay. So here you will click here. I'm done with my task, that's why there's receive. But if you're going to do your task, you will click here. After the task is done, you claim your reward and you will know that it's claimed because you will get receive. You will see receive. Okay. After this, you click back. So this is back. Okay. And then you go. So after you have done your task, you click back and then you go to task center. Okay, so we click task center. Okay, so this one will have a green highlight, sign in. You claim that, so you click it here. Okay, mine it's already claimed. And then there is also, okay, so this one also, the login. So every time you have done your task, you will get a login reward. Okay, mine, I have gotten it. It's 5 diamonds. Okay, so that's an additional reward. So that's it for today and see you on my next video.